Hi everyone, I'm Yiwen. I'm a system developer at SQL team in the data platform, and today I'm going to share a feature on the roadmap is document server, and it can improve the performance while reducing stored data. A very quick background on the InterSystems Cloud Document. It is a high-performance schemaless document database service supporting JSON storage in the cloud with SQL access via JSON table. So that means you will create a collection of documents with flexible formats like medical records and lab tests, etc. And the document database allows deeply nested data stored within without expensive joins. And what's new for now is the packed vector array, or PVA for short. It's a high-performance binary encoded serialization format, and it's designed to be lightweight, transversable, and efficient for machine processing and storage, and allow efficient encoding for structured and nested data. And it's ideal for fast reads and writes of clinical records that have flexible formats. A simple example is for the JSON format, a patient ID and name, and the PVA format, you will just have the unique contents to this record. So where would the keys be? That will come to the second feature, that's the common key map. So common key map is when multiple records in a collection share similar keys, for example, name, age, date of birth. The system learns and maintains a common key to location mapping. So this really also it's reliable because the common key map only grows, ensure backward compatibility and document stability. And this avoids repeatedly parsing each document to locate fields. If you have medical records that all have similar keys, then this can really save you storage. An example is I have a few records that have different keys, but the common key map will have the ID, name, date of birth, medical, and last visit. It may not be present in all of the records, but all the patient ID will be stored in location 1. So here is a deeply nested sample. If you have such a sample, the key map will extract all the fields, and then your actual record will be more compact, containing only information unique to this record or this patient ID information. And the common key map and PVA together can improve the query performance because system can access fields by position rather than parsing the field name. So this can really speed up SQL queries, and they can allow efficient compression and storage because instead of storing the same key repeatedly, you can just store it essentially once, and then allow faster indexing because index creation and lookup are more efficient when keys are mapped centrally. And then the performance, for 3 scenarios. When you have a large single object, for JSON, if it's over 3 megabytes for the string, we'll have a max string error. But for PVA, we don't have that. We can save it, and with 15% compaction. And for the number of compactions, higher the better, the more compact your storage become. And for large number of entries, this is about 13% compaction. And for deeply nested objects, we can reach up to about 90% compaction. That means you will remove all the keys and store them just once, and you will have just 10% of your this storage costs. And this really depends on your document type, so it depends on how deeply nested they are, but if you have such records, this will really help. So the key takeaway is that document server allow flexible formats, and common key map and PVA saves a lot of storage space, especially for these deeply nested data. And then this is really on the roadmap, so if you're interested in using this product, please contact Stefan, and we're really excited to hear about what you want to see and use. Thank you.